Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unhide someone's story on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your main settings and options panel where you can access various features and controls within Messenger. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and tap on it. This is where all your account preferences and privacy controls are located, giving you access to customize how you interact with others on the platform. In the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down and find the privacy and safety section. Tap on it to proceed. This section is important because it houses all the controls related to your privacy, security, and how you interact with other users' content on Messenger. Now, within the privacy and safety section, look for the area labeled What People See. This section specifically controls what content you can view from others and how your own content is displayed. Inside this section, you'll find an option called Story Controls. Go ahead and tap on it. This feature lets you manage which stories you see and which ones you've chosen to hide or mute. Next, you'll see an option that says Stories You've Muted. Tap on this option to view a complete list of all the people whose stories you've previously hidden or muted. This is where you can manage and reverse any story hiding decisions you've made in the past. Once the list appears, you'll see the names of all the people whose stories are currently muted. Find the person whose story you want to unhide, and you'll notice an unmute button right beside their name. Tap on the unmute option next to the person's name you want to unhide. After tapping unmute, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking you to confirm this action. This is just to make sure you really want to start seeing their stories again. To finalize the process, tap on show in the confirmation message, and that's it. You've successfully unhidden someone's story on Facebook Messenger, and you'll now be able to see their stories in your feed again whenever they post new content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.